Welcome back, mammal campers. My name's Danny Lowe with North Carolina Cooperative Extension. I'm the 4-H agent in Davie County. And today I figured we'd do a fun activity. This activity involves you guys doing some citizen science work. Now, scientists from all around the world that study mammals, a lot of times you don't get to see mammals in person, just because a lot of times mammals don't like to be seen by people. They like to be shy. A lot of times they come out at night. So a lot of times all we get are some of the trace elements, basically the evidence that there were mammals here, and we don't see mammals right now. But one of those great pieces of evidence are footprints. So today we're going to be casting footprints. So what this means, guys, is we're going to be actually taking this footprint here and we're going to make basically a model of that print. I'll show you how to do that. Now, you've got a kit with directions on our mammal webpage, but this is just a great video to kind of show you how to make a print of an animal. So first off, I've got a nice animal print here. This is of a white-tailed deer. So we've also got on our website, we've also got a list of very common North Carolina footprints as well as pictures of that. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a cast of this print. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is you do need to have a little bit of plaster of Paris. So I've got a quart bag. I've got about 2 cups full of plaster of Paris. And really, we could probably use just 1 cup, but it's always good just to have a little bit more, just in case you find some other cool footprints while you're hiking. Now, I've got my water, and what we're going to do is we're going to open up our bag. Let's see. Got my stick to stir, and we've got our water. So now, if you've made pancakes at home, you know that the batter's kind of runny, and that's a good thing. That's what we want to have. So we want to basically make pancake batter out of our plaster of Paris here. So I'm going to throw in the water. I'm going to take my stick, mix it up in the bag. There we go. Stir it around, really get a nice pancake-like batter feeling to it. There we go. Now you want to make sure that's all nice and pancake battery, just like that. You can see you don't see a lot of clumps in there. If you do feel some clumps, you can even squeeze them around, break up those clumps. You want to make it nice and smooth. There we go. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to try to make sure that our track is nice and clear. Now, the best time to look for tracks is either right after a rainstorm or a couple of days after a rainstorm. That way, it gives time for the soil to become kind of mushy, and that way an animal, when they step on that soil, is going to leave a nice footprint. So right here I'm close to a riverbank, so this is a nice area that's probably going to get a little damp soil from time to time. Now, this white-tailed deer footprint here, if you notice, it's nice and clear. A lot of times you'll get some plant material around there. That's okay, you just gently pull that away, and you want to get a nice clear area. Now, with your stirring stick, we're going to make a track around the animal footprint. Now, why are we doing this? Well, when we pour our pancake batter over this track, it's going to go down into this trench, and it's going to leave behind some of that trench. That way, most of the pancake batter gets inside of our footprint, but any extra might pour into this trench, and that way we get a nice footprint that's going to pop out of our cast. There we go. It's making that nice trench. And now it's time to pour our batter. So, we've got our plaster mix. You're going to first pour it right onto your track. You want to make sure that track gets the most of the plaster. There we go. You can see those 2 hoof prints are now nicely covered. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour the rest on over. So it's okay to get a little clumpy. Go. And it's okay to make it a little clumpy right now. We're going to smooth this over very gently though. Okay, so now we're going to take another stick, or you can use the same stick, and just gently smooth it over. We don't want to really rub it too deep, because we want to get enough of that nice track in there. There we go. Just like that. Now, we're going to let this dry for a few hours. Now, today it's not a sunny day. It's always best to do track making when it's nice and sunny. That way it dries out a little faster, but that's okay. Usually it takes about 30 minutes if it's a really nice, warm, summer, sunny day. But this plaster cast should be done in probably about 1 or 2 hours. So you can always come back and check. And another thing too that you can do, because we are scientists, you can even write down what animal footprint it is. So I'm just gonna write DR for deer. And you can even write today's date or your name in there. And that's just something extra to help you remember what animal it is, when you found it, and a little bit more information about that track. So this is just a really fun activity, guys. On Wednesday, you can share what critters you find and what are some cool things about mammals that you've discovered too. And if you've made a cast print, we'd love to see it when you guys share it with us. So thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great day, and we'll keep on going with our mammal lesson.